Kora mag jwang'en jong'ad bucha dek owito bura mane sew kit somo manyasani mong'ere kaka CBC mane okawo kar kit somo machon mar 844. E sama ne gichiwo ng'eto kamano, giwacho ni giketo maine dwaro mar ratich nyithindo. Ka gilero ni witoko kit somo no biro kelo chochni e wi somo mapacho ka. Ng'ad bucha go mano telne kod Hedwig Ong'udi, John Chigiti kaachiel kod Anthony Ndung'u omedo ni witoko kit somo no biro rocho ratich nyithindo ka gilero ni twak matut ne obedo e kind sekta mar somo, tend kanise, jopiny kaachiel kod jokanyo kane pok ochiw ng'eto makamano ma giwacho ni ok oweyo oko pach jopiny kaka wachore.
Provides as follows. A child's best interests are of paramount importance in every matter concerning the child.
The petitioner has not proven his case to the required degree, and we so hold. The following orders shall issue. 1. The petition dated 16th of September 2021 is hereby dismissed. 2. The first respondent to initiate the process of amending Section 41 of the Basic Education Act to align the structure of education with the CBC within 120 days.
The dismissal was based upon a finding made at the initial stage of the delivery of the judgment that there was no evidence to support the petition. Quite weird finding by the court, bearing in mind all the evidence that was before the court. I've told the court that we will not appeal. I will tell the Kenyan public that we will not appeal. Such struggles end up in this type of outcomes. We should not be wasting time fighting for the rights of Kenyans. I look forward to, it's called what, Generation Z or Z? Perhaps Generation Z can find a better